My name is Katie Collins. I graduated this year, 2013, and I'm from Wichita. I decided to do the clinics because I thought it would be a good way to get real experience. In law school, you learn a lot about how to think and what you should do in certain situations, and I thought the clinics would give me some experience on what I actually will be doing in certain situations. And I chose the judicial clinic because I thought it would be a good way to learn how the courtroom works, since I wanted to do either criminal or litigation. And then I chose the criminal prosecution clinic because I thought it would be the best clinic to get in-court experience and to really learn what it would be like to be a real lawyer. For the judicial clinic, you just get accepted and then they place you based on what judges are looking for clerks. And then for the criminal prosecution clinic, you meet with Professor Valdez, and she kind of gives you the rundown on the different jurisdictions and kind of what you'd be doing in each one, and then you rank your top 3. Clerkship clinic, a typical day was I would come in and chat with my judge. I also did that here in Douglas County, and so I would chat with my judge and learn his docket for the day. If he had any rulings that he wanted me to write, I would. A lot of it would be observing and talking with the judge about certain aspects of the case. He'd have me do some research for his opinions, and then a lot of times he would just send me out to observe cases. I did a lot of traffic, simple traffic tickets and traffic trials, but that was the best experience because at least in Douglas County where I did it, they just let you go, and so you actually got real interaction with defendants and got to really play lawyer for an afternoon, I guess. You also, in that clinic, get to do a lot of preliminary hearings, which is nice because it's like mini trials where the rules aren't as strict, so you can make your mistakes and learn what it would be like to do real trial. You do a lot of motions, response motions, mostly Fourth Amendment, search and seizure type motions. In my experience, I think what's really unique is that there's a lot of clinics that give you real experience. The 2 that I participated in, I really learned a lot about the court process and what it would be like to be in court. Right now I'm hired to do litigation, so I understand the etiquette of being in court, and I do hope someday to move into the criminal field, and doing both of those clinics gave me an idea of what I can expect and just some of the general procedures.